Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set saving notifications by email in Digit. If you prefer to receive updates about your savings via email instead of just through the app or text, Digit allows you to enable email notifications. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Digit app or you can log in on the website. So start by logging into your Digit account either through the mobile app or by visiting Digit's website on your web browser. Next, access settings. From the main dashboard, you can tap the menu icon, typically the three lines or a gear icon to access your account settings. Then navigate to notification preferences. In the settings menu, you want to look for notifications or communication preferences. This is where you can manage how Digit contacts you. There, enable email notifications. So find the section that's labeled email and toggle it on. You may also see specific options such as savings updates, goal progress, account transfers, and weekly summaries. So select the type of email notification you'd like to receive from the list. Then confirm your email address. Ensure that your email address is correct. If not, you can update it under your account information. Once that's done, save your preference. So once you've selected your desired notification, save your changes, and Digit will now begin sending updates to your email. From there on out, all you got to do is check your inbox. You should receive a confirmation email of your first notification shortly. If not, you can check your spam folder and mark Digit as a trusted sender. Email notifications can help you to stay on top of your finances even when you're not actively using the app, offering a convenient way to track your saving progress. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.